well as the model settings, we also have user preferences. Here you can set up things such as your pan button, whether it's your right mouse click or the scroll wheel on your mouse. You can choose how often or turn off your reminders for saving your models. You can also here define your CSV parameters, separation parameters in your CSV file, and your default units. So in the settings, those are the settings for that model. Here you can choose what the default units are for when you make a new model. Of course, if you're opening a pre-existing model, the units will be set on what they were set on that model. But if you're making a new model, here is where you can set your default units.